At Unit Alfa India, we believe in precision and reliability. Today, we take you inside our state-of-the-art facility to witness the automated welding of an excavator battery box, done on our advanced modular weld tables. Our robotic welding system is designed for efficiency and accuracy, ensuring every weld is perfect, strong, and consistent. With the help of our modular weld tables, each project is executed flawlessly, providing the foundation for a robust and durable battery box. These modular weld tables are not just surfaces, they are engineered for precision, supporting the entire welding process with unmatched stability and flexibility. From small components to large structures, Unit Alfa's modular weld tables adapt to any project, providing the perfect platform for automated welding. The result? A meticulously welded battery box, ready to withstand the toughest conditions, all thanks to our cutting-edge automation. Quality, durability, and precision. These are the hallmarks of Unit Alfa's welding solutions, delivered through our advanced technology and expertise. Our modular weld tables are not just for one type of project. They are versatile, accommodating various welding needs across industries. Every project is handled with care, and our robotic systems ensure that every weld meets the highest standards of quality. With Unit Alfa's automated welding solutions, you get consistency, speed, and quality every single time. Whether you're in heavy machinery, automotive, or any other industry requiring precision welding, Unit Alfa's modular weld tables and automation systems are here to elevate your production. Unit Alfa India, where innovation meets reliability. Experience the future of welding today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of automated welding by Unit Alfa India.